I think, the overall help that I can think about is the productivity increase.
Okay.
And a lot of the times, the AI is also able to give you contextual information and stuff like that, which is very important for the problem that you,
Hmm.
as an individual, the personalized thing, that you're trying to do. I mean, that productivity increase. Now we are just talking not just about AEC in general, about AI. How is it actually helping every individual professionals or things like that, right?
Hmm.
So it's a productivity increase. And the way I look at it is AI is definitely a very powerful assistant. And I am also trying to, incorporate all of these, help from various tools in my day-to-day job, of,
Hmm.
making things faster. Because at the end of it, we want to be productive. We all want to do quality job, right? I
Yes.
mean,
Yeah.
do the right due diligence and stuff like that for the task that is in your hand. And we all want to go back to family to have dinner with. You know,
Right.
I think, I mean, all of us are, working super hard. There are few
Mhm.
moments in a day that we don't want to miss with family. And I personally believe, that is a very important aspect of how I think about AI. Let me embrace AI in my day-to-day job and treat it like an assistant. So I want the listeners to understand AI is not going to replace humans anytime soon. The years of experience that you have gained your knowledge in is very critical. So treat AI like an assistant. It use it, because if we don't disrupt ourselves, somebody else is going to disrupt us, and we want, to disrupt ourselves so that we can use it. But at the same time, at the end of it, we are the ones to make the final decision. So look at all of this data point, and that is where the essence of, our humans in the loop comes into the play. We cannot let, the machine take the final decision. So from that standpoint, AI is, again, I'm repeating it, AI is just an assistant. We cannot let AI take liability for any of these things at the end of it.
A call to us in the industry to really make sure that we are up to speed on everything that we need to know, to be able to intelligently work with these new types of tools, right? And it's also a call to update our skill sets. So, do we know how to effectively prompt or, get the information out of the system that we're looking for? Because if we're putting in prompting wrong, we're probably not going to get something that's as high quality as it could be out.